What is going on, guys? Turbo Warrior here. Today I will be doing a Beyblade launcher unboxing. And I'm going to be launching it and testing it. I'm going to be testing it with these bays. Kinetic Tomb, Strike Valkyrie, Wonder Valkyrie, and chose the Achilles. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, and here are the stats, by the way. Okay, this is all in Japanese, so I really can't read it. There we go. Oh, okay. So, ripping the chat stats. So, here it is. Oh wow, that's a long string. So, the instructions are here. Instructions, I really can't read them either. So let's just get all this off. Yo, this launcher looks so great. Now, let me get this video. Okay, first battle we're going to be doing. First battle we're going to be doing is obviously Zed Achilles and Valkyrie. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Sorry. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Holy crap, that spins it so quick. Let it rip. I need to go grab something. I'll just need to get used to launching. 3, 2, 1, oh boy. Yo, this launcher is so good. So Achilles wins that, so he'll be there. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay then. Three, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. What? What's this? Oh, that's just gross. Okay, so this launcher is amazing. And here we go, Achilles and Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh god, Achilles though, he's just like, they haven't really had more stamina, that's for sure, this launcher. And Achilles wins it. And that'll be it for this video. I highly recommend getting this launcher. So yeah, that's my unboxing for today. So see you guys next time.